kitten.
Baby kitten.
Why don't you name her? What are you gonna name her?
What about Cookie?
Cookie, yeah, we should call her Cookie.
There's two.
Cookie, huh?
The other sister.
Yeah, there's
What about the other baby?
Ow!
There are two. What should we name the other baby kitty?
Cookie and...
That's Kashti.
Yeah.
Cookie and who?
It's just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Cookie and who? This is Cookie. How are you gonna... Do they look alike?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like.
So how are you gonna know who is Cookie?
Here and ice cream.
And ice cream?
Collar.
Huh?
Get a collar.
Yeah, we need a collar. Usikira gotokora nigetha imenyeke. Itiretwa. Rĩu gaka getagwo Cookie. Cookie. Where is and the other one is who? Candy.
Candy, yeah, Candy.
Cookie and Candy.
Candy.
Candy no ene duiti.
Kristen, can I?
Na Cookie ne mo duguiti. So how are they gonna know? Where is the other one? Where is the other baby? Wano wakaidwo ndikoega nĩ kabirũ no nginya nĩ athimindĩte. Huh? It's gone. Keha kanyau. Kanyau geko. The other one ran away. The other cat.
It's just hiding.
I like her kitchen. It's even cemented. Kato.
Kanyau gaka kangĩenako. No harethiĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ.
Haya nĩguo.
Rĩu no kĩhithe hau karĩũka kumĩra o nyina ũkagũkongi.
Ah, nĩko gagai? Oh gosh. But this is the boys' houses. You have to build them little tiny cubicles. Kafiro kama ya wati na giana ke ba ni machine. Ni kaita maka matanyiha biũ. Ni. Ati toko. Ndũngĩthũra kwandĩkĩrwo. Ũgokĩra ũkaiga harĩa.
Niona ni machine ngoko uri wira ona nduri hinya ta machine.
Machine ya mahuti.
Nuna machine tari ng'ombe thĩire mahuti.
He says he's not gonna sell.
Why?
Ndarenda kwendia. Mang'ombe ĩno nĩ thaka.
Ng'ombe ici ndenda niko no hote kũrithia ng'ombe ithatũ rĩ. Nini ndĩyandĩka.
Ĩno nĩ ĩrakamwo.
Nĩgetha kilo mũgwanja.
Oh wow. Na tũkũre tũtũ nĩ ũkũrera kabirũ.
Ndenda kwendia. Niĩ ndĩraga ngũrwe niĩ.
Why?
Niĩ nyendaga kwendia. Iria cia nyamũ icio rĩ.
Oh, ikũhũmie. Cianjĩria kũrĩa. Ndũ nĩ ũragũra ngũrwe ingĩ.
Niĩ nĩ kwendia nyendagia.
Oh, rĩu wendagia kama mbeca cigana? Kamwe 4,000 tũtũ twana.
Nĩ inya ko.
Haya nĩguo.
Ũkĩendia irĩ na mbeca ona hĩndĩ ĩno mũno. Kila kĩko 50.
Ici koguo tũgĩtua kwendia ici, it's a lot of money. Why don't you sell them? Nĩgetha tũgayane 50-50.
Nyakabiti tigie tu ina haho.
Nĩkĩ? Ndangĩtĩkĩra tondũ tũngĩkanjana gũkanjana reke ngwĩre kabirũ. It's no joke. Rũĩ atĩ tatũma mbeca hau cia irio. Eni, ike ngũkĩaga gwĩtũma nĩkĩ? Tamĩareke ngwĩre no nyende ciendio ndĩ haha. Ingiuga nĩ niĩ karani. Ndakwĩra ingiumĩria na 100 rĩmwe.
Nĩ ũngĩkorwo ũgĩthima.
Yeah, no, I am the one who is receiving the money. Eni, ndakwĩra mareke ngwĩre. Nĩ kũrĩ mũndũ ũngiuga Ngai ona kama itangĩendirie ngũrwe ciakwa.
Ona irio ona icio ciheagwo mbere to yake mbere itiarĩte
Ici nĩ kũrahe
ngũraki andũ kwa ngũraki andũ.
Oh wow, look at that. They are so beautiful.
Tũthũndũre tũthaka.
Tũrĩa
ndinamenya no tũru ona
ti tũru. Eri ciara rĩa mbere geretie mũno.
This is so. What happened to that one?
Arago nĩ nyina.
Nĩkĩo gakomete harĩa.
Nĩkĩo gaka nĩ kanini.
Rĩu karĩ ũkĩra rĩ. Nĩkĩo gakomete. Oh gosh, look at it. Atĩrĩrĩ kerangaga.
Kũndũ gũtarĩ na injari.
Keha karĩa karangirwo. Nĩ kageria gũthĩnio nĩ tũtũ tũngĩ.
Ndamwĩra ũrĩa angĩũka hangĩka iguĩra.
Ima. Olivia. Come and see. Yeah, it is. It needs a blanket. It needs a blanket. It looks like it's so cold. So beautiful, baby pigs. Those ones are fighting. Kai toroaga. Look at those ones. They are fighting. Hiya. Tainora toroide. Toria. Torarua torea maruaga. Christine. They're just fighting just like my kids. Oh yeah, you guys fight. That's the truth. They were really fighting. You guys went inside. Look at that one. It's just by itself.
Because it's sick.
No, it's mommy stepped on it.
Yeah.
Olivia dagigira.
Oh, only Negeraga.
Watch.
No, Gigi.
Olivia was
Only did you get inside the piggies? Okay, can you pick her up to go in the key? There should be a door here.
I got the baby.
That's not a door.
Okay, let her. Tamuengash.
Mom, can you tell I got the baby?
You're gonna go get in. We see if it's the truth. If you're.
They're on the piggyback.
They want a piggyback ride. Oh gosh, they're really fighting.
Hey.
I need you to get inside so that I can do a video when you're inside. The last time I wasn't able to. I'm recording right now.
Right now, someone needs to help.
Imagine they're fighting.
They're just baby
That's normal.
piglets.
Yeah, they're really fighting. The other one is just sleeping over there, but I think it's trying to get up. Let's see the other one. Are they disturbing the other one that was sleeping over there?
It's trying to get out, but
Oh, even that one is trying now to get up.
they can't walk. It's just shaking in general.
No, the other ones are bothering it, so it's gonna get up. See?
Rabbit's hurt.
Rĩu gakinyĩtwo hakabĩrũ koguo nĩ kũratura eh. So what do you do with them? Guy, don't. This is the mommy for the big one there. Aya, ĩno nĩyo ciarĩte area.
And some of them are too.
And some of them are the ones that daddy has. Hey, Neno. Oh wow. Na no ĩgũciara rita rĩngĩ. Rĩu no gĩtua kwendia rĩu no ndũngĩmendia kĩongithagia.
Did you see that baby on the piggyback?
Oh, she was on the piggyback.
Yeah, she was like this.
You know, ndeithia tũkũrũ. Nĩngwĩra ng'ang'a ngũrĩre twĩrĩ twakwa ndĩmwĩre those are specifically mine. Oh my gosh. Kale ginya ndĩrakaiguĩra. Ndĩũkĩragia kana ĩgacũna. Nĩragokĩria.
Nĩramenya nĩkagerire ngĩ.
Oh, nĩramenya eh? Oh gosh, look at what it's doing. It's trying to get it up. Yeah. Yeah, painkillers. It needs something for pain. Hey, man. Because his mother stepped on it. Looks like he's gonna step on it again. It's supposed to know. Yeah, it's supposed to know before it steps. Oh my God, look at those. Oh, they are really beautiful. Okay, mother. You don't play with its babies.
How is Mama aggressive?
If they know, right? See, it didn't say. Oh
Baby. Can I hold him?
Let's see.
He broke his leg. No! The phone almost
You can see even here.
Oh yeah, see? It stepped on it. It's so much pain. It needs painkillers. Oh,
It's very scared.
it's so scared.
She's almost clear.
Oh, no. You wanna hold it? You wanna
Put it
hold
down.
it?
Put it
I'm
down.
so scared.
It's not all that bad.
No, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
This, I put it down.
I don't. It's not that bad.
It's too high.
Not all that bad.
Flip it over to me.
A little bit. Let's see that one.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Look at
Are you
that.
okay, baby?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. At least you can walk. Okay. Let's see that one.
Kaka niko kena juu.
nekogolo kuliko.
Na nikidambana kali kwa jinsi kama it seems to be this one.
Why does it have to step on them? Oh gosh.
You can see.
Yeah, it stepped on that. It stepped on it. They need painkillers. Oh god. Let's try and take it. My son down.
Why doesn't this one come out?
Huh?
Kakono kahapo nikida yangu ndino kukahe.
Yeah, it needs a painkiller. Oh gosh. Oh no, the baby pig is gonna be stepped on by the calf. Oh no, someone needs to go get it.
Let it get in.
No, go grab it, Christine. It's gonna be stepped on by the calf.
It will come out.
You see? I don't know karaga kafiru.
No.
Okay, let me move out of here. Move that.
From there.
Move that sack. It's gonna get out. Move the sack. Okay. Can you try?
The calf is scared. The
Both of them are scared. You know, even that's a baby.
It's
Is it
not
gonna
that
smell
bad.
it?
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
They want to be friends.
But they wanna be. It's smelling it.
To see.
They know. You know, they smell. Even the pig is trying to smell, but the pig is so little.
It's not bad. You can see.
Yeah, it's not that. Oh yeah, this one at least it's working. Yeah, shock already, eh?
Film the baby pig.
You should know that there's a baby there. You should not step on its babies. Oh, he thinks that maybe he thinks it's the mommy, but he can smell that that's not the mommy. They smell. Okay.
Go tell Mama Yuchin to give to.
Go grab it.
Bring it to one. Come on,
Go grab
let
it.
me see. Bring it on the side.
Let's see if it's gonna suck. Oh, the mother. Now this is from a different mom. Let's see if it's gonna suck.
Let us see.
Let's see if it's gonna. We might not be able to tell.
They
This
don't.
one.
Area kera amenya.
This one. This one.
And you see?
Area ni ramenya hena kana kayo. Ni ire kule utoikia hau kafiru. Eno rageria gwetha. So it knows. See, the mommy knows that that's her baby. Oh, it's gonna suck.
This one knows the baby's missing.
Huh?
This one knows the baby's missing.
It has sucked.
So riu no ikare guku.
But not good.
Eh?
That one has got a lot of milk. It better to be transferred.
So now how are you gonna know which one?
I know because of the
Oh, ni ndwa kugoro ni. So kai kare gaki gatwo.
curry.
Eh. Oh yeah, so it's not sucking. It needs to be sucking too. Oh my god.
I think it is this. Is it?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Not that one.
Is it that one?
Is it this one?
I
It is this one.
It's that one.
It is this.
Oh, it's that one. Yeah. Take it back to his mother. Let's see what it does. It knows. See, it's smelling it. It knows. It can get it.
She knows.
She knows that's her baby. So if it's not her baby, oh, they kill it.
They do?
It will bite it.
Oh, it's gonna bite it until it
And kill it
dies.
and eat it.
Yeah.
Not even kill
He
it.
eats
will
it.
eat.
Oh gosh! Come
They
on
eat
here.
their
I'm gonna.
flesh.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You know you can even bite your finger. Now it's laying down.
What about some of its babies over here? Will you know it's
See, it's laying down now.
Now they want to see.
Oh gosh, look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh goodness, look at those two babies. Look at that, Christine. That's so beautiful. I love that. Oh gosh. Tukora tuhutite ore mwana akoragwo ahutite akioga. Tukakoroka ma. Oh gosh. Christine, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. You need to wash your face. Oh gosh. Now it's feeding.
When they eat their own babies?
No, the ones that don't belong to them.
The babies that belong to him, they're over here. Some of its babies are over here too.
No, if they were brought here, you would kill them.
It can tell its natural scent.
It must be fed a lot of food for it to be able to feed this piglet. Oh gosh. I love that. Is it gonna lay down again for them to suck?
Anytime they want to suck.
Oh my gosh. So they are becoming tall now. Some of them can suck when they are standing up. Well, should we take some of them with us to America? The piggies.
Take the cats.
She said no, it can't be carried by another.
I don't think so.
Cats can.
They wouldn't let you. It has to be vaccinated. It's a process.
I'll vaccinate the piggy. And then he can come with us to America.
I know, right?
And then we can...
Do you like the lollipop?
Yes!
Okay, we need... Oh, God. Look, he wants a piggyback.
See, that's how you get a piggyback.
That's how you get a piggyback? Oh, I didn't know a piggyback.
You never knew.
Oh, that's a piggyback.